Here's how you can fix a UMD lever sensitivity issue. You're going to want to use some tweezers that have a fine tip, and then there's two tabs on both sides of this version of lever. You want to be careful to not break the tabs. But once you got it off, then just carefully lift it up, set it aside. And then what you're mainly going to do is you're going to scratch these two pads up. As you can see, they're pretty discolored. And all it takes is a little scraping away to improve the sensitivity. And if you happen to be looking for any PSP parts, systems, Vita parts, Vita systems, you can check out my website, everythingpsp.com. I'll have a link in the description for it. But you mostly just want to scrape away the black stuff to get it looking cleaner. I'd say that'll be good enough. Then you're going to want to grab the lever and just set it back in place. Once you got it lined up, just apply pressure downwards, and there you go. Should compress fine. You're not going to want to bend the contact points on the underside of the lever. And this is the other lever variation. For this version, I suggest desoldering the lever and then popping off the tabs, because the tabs are located too far down and you're likely to just break it if you try to remove it with it still on the motherboard. But otherwise, just use a fine tip soldering iron to remove it on 4 pads, work it off. I have a different video kind of on that process that you can check out. But yeah, that's what I'd suggest for this version. This other version, you can easily just pop it off on the motherboard. And this is also the same version that happens to fail most of the time. But yeah, pretty successful on these, just cleaning them off.